Are you ready to take your motorcycle rides to the next level of safety and excitement? Imagine cruising down the open road, feeling totally secure and connected, all thanks to some cutting-edge gadgets. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of high-tech motorcycle gear that could literally save your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will these gadgets really work for me? How quickly can I start using them? Are they complicated to set up? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll break down each gadget, explaining why it's a game changer, how to use it, and any potential challenges you might face. So, let's kick things into high gear and dive into these amazing gadgets that'll keep you safe, connected, and riding in style. Ready to hit the road? Let's go. 1. Smart helmets. Let's start with the most crucial piece of gear, your helmet. But we're not talking about just any helmet. Smart helmets are the future of rider safety. These high-tech lids come equipped with built-in cameras, Bluetooth connectivity, and even heads-up displays. Imagine having your GPS navigation right in your field of view, or being able to take calls without taking your hands off the handlebars. Some smart helmets, like the Sena Momentum Evo, even have noise-canceling technology to reduce wind noise and enhance your audio experience. The best part? Most smart helmets are as easy to use as your smartphone. Just pair it with your phone and you're good to go. The only challenge you might face is choosing which features you want. There are so many cool options out there. 2. Airbag vests. Next up, we have airbag vests. These might look like regular riding vests, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to safety. In the event of a crash, these vests inflate in milliseconds, providing crucial protection to your torso, neck, and spine. Products like the Danish D-Air system use sophisticated algorithms to detect a crash and deploy the airbag before you even hit the ground. It's like having your own personal safety bubble. The great news is, once you've set it up, you don't have to do anything. Just wear it and forget it until you need it. The only downside? They can be a bit pricey, but can you really put a price on safety? 3. Bluetooth communication systems. Staying connected while riding is crucial, and that's where Bluetooth communication systems come in. These devices let you talk to your riding buddies, listen to music, or get GPS directions, all without taking your eyes off the road. Systems like the Cardo PackTalk Bold use mesh technology, allowing you to communicate with up to 15 riders at once, with a range of up to 1 mile. And the best part? Most of these systems are voice activated, so you can keep your hands where they belong, on the handlebars. 4. Tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS. Proper tire pressure is crucial for motorcycle safety, but it's easy to overlook. That's where tire pressure monitoring systems come in. These nifty gadgets constantly monitor your tire pressure and alert you if it drops below a safe level. The Phobo Bike. 2 TPMs, for example, sends real-time alerts to your smartphone if your tire pressure changes. It's a small investment that can prevent blowouts and improve your fuel efficiency. 5. Action cameras. Action cameras aren't just for capturing awesome footage of your rides. They can also be a crucial safety tool. In the event of an accident, footage from your camera can provide valuable evidence. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a popular choice among riders. It's waterproof, has excellent image stabilization, and can even live stream your ride. Just remember to respect privacy laws when recording in public. 6. Smart gloves. Your hands are your connection to the bike, so why not make them smarter? Enter smart gloves. These high-tech hand warmers do more than just protect your digits. Some smart gloves, like the BearTech 2, have built-in Bluetooth controls, allowing you to answer calls or control your music with simple hand gestures. Others have heating elements to keep your hands warm in cold weather. It's like having a tiny command center right at your fingertips. 7. Motorcycle-specific GPS units. While your phone's GPS is great for cars, motorcycle-specific GPS units are designed to withstand vibrations, weather, and glare. They often come with features tailored for motorcyclists, like winding road suggestions and helmet audio integration. The Garmin Zumo XT, for instance, is built tough and comes preloaded with motorcycle-friendly features. It's a bit of an investment, but the peace of mind of having a reliable navigation system designed for 2 wheels is priceless. 8. Adaptive headlights. Riding at night can be challenging, but adaptive headlights are here to light the way. These smart lights adjust their beam based on your lean angle, illuminating corners as you turn. The JW speaker. Adaptive 2 Series LED headlights are a popular aftermarket option. They're a bit pricey and may require professional installation, but the increased visibility they provide, especially on winding roads at night, is worth every penny. 9. Blind spot detection systems. Cars have had blind spot detection for years, and now motorcycles are catching up. These systems use sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots and alert you with visual or audible warnings. The Rider Blind Spot Detection System is one such gadget that's easy to install and could potentially save your life. It's especially useful in heavy traffic or when changing lanes on the highway. 10. Smart jacket with LED signals. Visibility is key when riding, and what better way to be seen than with a jacket that lights up? Smart jackets with built-in LED signals are the latest in motorcycle safety fashion. The Arc'teryx LED jacket, for example, has LED strips on the back that can be synced with your bike's turn signals. It's like wearing a giant turn signal. The initial setup might take a bit of time, but once it's done, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. 11. Anti-theft GPS trackers. Motorcycle theft is a real concern, but GPS trackers can give you peace of mind. These tiny devices can be hidden on your bike and allow you to track its location in real time if it's ever stolen. The Monomoto 7 is a popular choice. It's easy to install, has a long battery life, and sends alerts to your phone if your bike is moved. It's a small price to pay for the security of knowing where your bike is at all times. 12. Smart brake lights. Regular brake lights are fine, but smart brake lights take safety to the next level. These lights intensify or flash when you brake hard, making you more visible to vehicles behind you. The Add More Lighting High Output LED light bar is a great example. It's easy to install and can significantly reduce your chances of being rear-ended. The only challenge? Deciding where to mount it for maximum visibility. 13. Motorcycle dash cams. Like action cameras, dash cams can provide crucial evidence in case of an accident. But motorcycle-specific dash cams are designed to withstand the vibrations and weather conditions unique to riding. The Innov K2 is a dual-channel system that records both front and rear views. It starts recording automatically when you start your bike, so you never have to remember to turn it on. The peace of mind it provides is invaluable. 14. Heads-up display, HUD. Add-ons. If your helmet doesn't have a built-in HUD, don't worry. There are add-on HUD devices that can turn any helmet into a smart helmet. The iLight's iRide HUD, for instance, projects information like speed, navigation, and incoming calls right onto your helmet visor. It's a bit tricky to set up initially, but once you've got it dialed in, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. 15. Smart earplugs. Wind noise can be a real problem on long rides, potentially causing hearing damage over time. Smart earplugs not only protect your hearing, but can also enhance your riding experience. The Etymotic Music Pro electronic earplugs automatically adjust to changing sound levels, protecting your ears from loud noises, while still allowing you to hear important sounds like traffic and communication systems. They take a bit of getting used to, but your ears will thank you in the long run. 16. Motorcycle stability control systems. Stability control systems have been common in cars for years, and now they're available for motorcycles too. These systems use sensors to detect wheel slip and automatically adjust engine power and braking to help maintain traction. The Bosch Motorcycle Stability Control System is one of the most advanced, offering features like cornering ABS and traction control. It's not something you can easily add to your existing bike, but it's definitely a feature to look for when buying a new motorcycle. 17. Wireless tire inflators. Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety, but it can be a hassle. Wireless tire inflators make this task quick and easy. The Fantic X8 Apex is a portable, rechargeable tire inflator that's perfect for motorcycles. It's small enough to carry with you and can inflate your tires in minutes. No more searching for a gas station with a working air pump. 18. Motorcycle-specific weather apps. Weather can make or break a ride, so having accurate motorcycle-specific weather information is crucial. Apps like Weather on Wheels provide detailed weather forecasts along your planned route, including wind speed and direction. Critical information for two-wheeled travelers. 19. Emergency SOS devices. When you're out on remote roads, having a way to call for help in an emergency is essential. Devices like the Spot Gen 4 satellite GPS messenger allow you to send SOS signals even in areas without cell coverage. It's easy to use. Just press the SOS button and it sends your GPS location to emergency services. The peace of mind it provides, especially for solo riders, is invaluable. 20. Smart motorcycle alarms. Last but not least, let's talk about smart motorcycle alarms. These aren't your average noisemakers. They use advanced sensors to detect tampering and can send alerts directly to your smartphone. The Scorpio Ride Core alarm system, for example, can notify you if your bike is moved, tilted, or if the battery is disconnected. Whew! That's a lot of gadgets, right? But each one of these has the potential to make your ride safer, more enjoyable, and more connected. Remember, you don't need to get all of these at once. Start with the ones that address your most pressing concerns and build your high-tech motorcycle kit over time.